Good morning, student. So let us continue our topic, fun with number. The next part is lazy crazy shop. Look at the picture. There is one lazy crazy shop in jungle. This is the jungle shop. Lazy crazy gives things only in packets of tens, hundreds and loose items. So there is one notice board. We deal only in hundreds, tens and ones. A banana came to purchase. A monkey came to purchase a banana. Monkey say, a bunch of 10, 20 bananas, please. The owner of shop says, sorry, because he deal only in hundreds, tens and ones. So he refused to give a bunch of 20 bananas. So now solve the given example. Find out how many packets of tens, hundreds and loose items each animal will take. Fill in the blanks. There are 4 animals: rabbit, elephant, monkey and deer. Rabbit purchase carrots, elephant purchase sugarcane, monkey purchase bananas and deer purchase leaves. So rabbit purchase 143 carrots. So he gives in a bundle of hundreds, tens and loose items. Packets of 100 is 1. Packets of 10 is 4. And loose items are 3. So their total is 143. Now I give solution of 1 for your understanding. Elephant purchased 210 sugarcane. So packets of 100 is 200 means packets of 100. 2 packets of 10, there is only one 10, and loose items 0. So total is 210 sugarcane. We divide this in packets of 100 is 2, packets of 10 is 4, 1 and loose item is 0. So you have to solve remaining 2 example. Lazy crazy also has a crazy way of taking money. He takes only in 100 rupee notes, 10 rupee notes and 1 rupee coins. Now find out how they will pay him for what they have taken. They purchase sugarcane, carrots, bananas and leaves. So they pay in another way, like 100 rupee notes, 10 rupee notes and 1 rupee coins. Elephant purchase 210 sugarcane. The total price of sugarcane is 420. So the price of one sugarcane is 2 rupees. So he pay in such a way. For 100 rupee notes to 10 rupee notes at 0 coins, 0 coin. Total is 420. So now rabbit purchase 143 carrots. The total price of carrots is 143. So he pay in such a way. ₹100 notes, 100 rupee note, and 4 10 rupee notes, and there are 3 coins required to pay the owner of shop. There are 3 ₹1 coin. The total amount is 100, 4 notes of 10 rupee notes, 4 notes of 10 rupees and 3 coins. Total is 143. So you have to watch these videos carefully and solve remaining example. Thank you.